Hello, I am Riolin Chino Valdez, a criminology student at PCCR. Today, I will share the laboratory I am most excited to try. Why are you most excited to try this laboratory? I am most excited about the crime scene laboratory because it looks very interesting and useful for my course. What skills do you expect to gain from this lab? In this lab, I want to learn skills like collecting evidence and taking fingerprints. How will these skills help you in your criminology journey and future career? These skills will help me in my studies and in my future work as a criminologist. That's all. Thank you.